Learn how to create social media posts in no time using AI. In this video, you're gonna learn how to create good prompts to get social media content, how to properly format the content, how to organize the content, and how to schedule it. And for those of you who stay until the end, we have prepared a special gift for you. Now, let's begin. First, you want to go to chat.openai.com. And now that you're here, you're gonna tell them to act as a social media manager. This is the part where the AI will take the personality that you tell them to take. Then you want to tell them what exactly is it that you want to post. You can add stuff like your name, your niche, the name of your company, personalize it to your own needs. Then you're gonna tell them what pieces of content is it that you need. In this case, it's going to be the caption, visual creative, call to action, hashtag. This is the way that you're going to explain the AI how to give you the content and how exactly you want the format of it. Last but not least, you ask to the AI if he understood your prompt. If everything went well, the magic will happen. Then you want to copy and paste this and put it into your Excel file, and then you're ready to create the graphics. We suggest you using Canva. And now it's time to schedule. We're gonna go in this case to Meta for Business. This is a tool owned by Facebook. You go to the planner. In the top right, you're gonna see the create button. I want you to hit that, and then you're gonna copy and paste the content, the text content. You're gonna upload the media, either the picture of the video, and then you wanna go all the way to the bottom. You're gonna see a button that says post, but you wanna click that. You wanna click schedule. You just pick the day that you wanted to schedule it, and that's ready to go. You're going to repeat this process for all the posts you have ready. Now, for those of you who stay until the end, we want to thank you and give you a special gift. In the description, you're going to have a link to a content calendar creating on Excel that you can 100% edit and use it for free. Go there, download it, and you're ready to go. Follow us for more free content.